Hello guys, this is Infotech and today I'm gonna show you top Cydia Tweaks that you should have installed on your jailbroken device. So let's start with the first. And maybe you have heard before for this tweak, it's called Activator. And why you should have is that you can activate applications or anything else by tapping on lock screen or everywhere, but you need that for another thing that it's on my list, and I'm gonna tell you then why you need activator installed. So the second tweak is Korea messages. Korea messages. What this tweak does is quick reply, quick compose, read messages. So here you can configure the theme and the text size. You can enter a passcode, and if you want to access on lock screen, disable on lock screen. So you'll need to go to activator and choose anywhere and choose something to activate this. For example, I have this. No. Don't. Yeah. I have this. Yeah. Korea messages. So that means that when I swipe from top to bottom on the right of my screen, it will show the messages. Here you can go enter and it will search for that. So let's wait the search. Come on. You see, it's search for that. I know this. This is a fucking phone. It works very great, but now it's for the display recorder. Also very much my phone. So here you type and you click send. You also can send photos, camera, library, doodle. So close. This was the second week. The third week is CC toggles. This customize your control center toggles, and here you can edit and order the toggles that you want. And if you see, I have this. What happened? I don't know what happened to my iPhone. Don't know why what is happening, but these are tweaks that you can add here, and here you can customize the quick launches. here you customize the quick launches. I have had the home button because my home button doesn't work very well. So this was the third tweak. As you see, I have here cellular data, and I have 6 here. I have 6 like this, 6 CC toggles, 6 toggles here and 5 here. So let's go to the next week. Next week is called Classic Dock. Classic Docks change. I have selected this, it's more beautiful, and what it makes is here if you see to the dock, it's better view, and if an application is opened you have that white dot down there, so that means that settings app it's opened. Here you can configure your preferred settings. I have disabled some of them, so you can enable and try them. So let's go to the next week. It's called Favorite Contact 7. So here you have the settings, and what it makes is favorite contacts on your phone can be added on the notification center. So if I swipe down, you see here, and you have access on lock screen. So if you want to call somebody, you just swipe them also on lock screen and type on them and call, message, or cancel. So this was for the favorite contacts tab. I am listening. I suggest to you that it's a cool tweak that allows music to be played in every application such as Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, every application that you are using, and you have also in background. So this was for I can show you that because it will not play the music. I can only hear here. I can only hear in the music, but you cannot hear the music. So let's go to the next week. It's IKV2. It's for every iOS, and it customizes your keyboard. So here you customize, and here you make them larger, the buttons larger. Landscape and portrait mode. So I have set this by default. So on lowercase these are numbers, the 5th row, and in uppercase these are symbols. And here symbols, and here numbers. So it makes me more easier because I don't have to switch to numbers, but I put from here. So also I have make them the buttons bigger, so it's better. It's better with the buttons bigger because you don't make mistakes when you are typing. So this was for IQV2. Let's go to the slow animation that speeds up your phone. You need to be here enabled, and then go to settings, general accessibility, and here reduce motion, turn that on. Also, this makes your phone really fast. Open close apps, open close folders. See, everything is faster. That was for this, for IKV2. So sorry for no slow animations. Tiny bar from the name, it makes your bar tiny. So if I tap test, you see when it comes to notification, it will be like this. It's pretty cool, and the default iPhone notification, it's a bigger bar, so I prefer this. And if you want to go, type there tiny bar or Messenger or WhatsApp, and it will open the application. So this was all for today. If you wanna install another tweak that it's for iOS 8, it's a bad saver, but I will show you how to write that on Cydia. It's bad saver, and you have it for iOS 8. If you have iOS 9, you have low power mode, you don't need that. So for iOS 8, you can save your battery life with that. So thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you until the next video.